So it was Snap-on Friday. You know, we had to grab a few things off the truck. Don't mind my Autel sitting up there. She just looks so pretty. Got the Blue Point Automotive Test Kit. I know Mighty Vax got basically the same thing, but you know what? I support my local dealer because he supports me. Got the 4-piece Striking Pry Bar set. There's the part number on that. We got the 3/8 Tech Angle torque wrench. What a beast, honestly. Let me see if I can get you guys a part number. There's the part number on that. This is my multimeter I use. There's the part number on that. And then we got the 1/2-inch torque wrench from Snap-on Tech Angle. I've had this thing for a little bit now. I love it, so I wanted to get it checked out, make sure it's still calibrated right on the truck, and it is, even since 2016.